Hi, I am Jagdaya Madam from New English School, Danolewadi, Talukaman, District, Satara. Today we learn the science part second. The topic name is life process in living organism part seconds. In this topic we learn the asexually reproduction. But here the reproduction is the main point. The reproduction consists of the two types, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. We are learn the first point, asexually reproductions. Asexual reproduction consists of the two types, unicellular asexual reproduction and multicellular asexual reproductions. Okay, the unicellular means the only one cell consists of, and multicellular means the two or many cells consist of. We can see the first asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Okay, the first is binary fusions. The binary fusions consist of the bacteria, amoeba, parameciums. Okay, they perform the asexual reproduction by binary fusion. In this process, the parent cell divided from two similar daughter cells. Okay, here see the binary fusion occurs either mitosis or mitosis. Okay, so here see the first diagram is amoeba, second is the paramecium, and third euglena. The axis of the fusion or division is different in different processes. The first is amoeba divided by simple binary fusion. The second example is the paramecium. Paramecium divided by the transfer binary fusion. The next, the euglena by longitudinal binary fusions. Okay, the next type is the multiple fusions. Okay, in this type the asexual reproduction by multiple fusions is performed by the amoeba and other similar protists. Okay, whenever there a lack of food or any other types of the adverse condition, amoeba stop the formation of the pseudopodia and its movement and form the protective covering around plasma membranes. Such amoeba is called the cyst. Many nucleus are formed by repeated nucleus division in the cyst. Okay, the many nucleus are formed by the repeated nuclear division in the cyst, thus many amoeba are formed. They remain in cyst till there are the adverse conditions. Okay, there see the diagram here, the parent amoeba and after see the daughter amoeba. Okay, we can see here the unicellular third part is budding. Okay, what is means by the budding? Okay, the asexual reproduction occurs by budding in yeast. Okay, all of students know this yeast. Okay, asexual reproduction occurs by the budding in yeast, a unicellular fungus. Yeast cell produce the two daughter nucleus by mitosis division so as to reproduce by the budding. The yeast cell is called the parent cells. Okay, the yeast cell is known as the parent cell. Okay, now we see the yeast diagrams. A small bubbles appears on the surface of parent cell. This bubbles is actually a burst. One of the two daughter nucleus enter this burst after sufficient growth. The birds separate from the parent cell and start to live independently as daughter yeast cell. Okay, these are the last type of the unicellulars. The unicellulars asexual reproduction. Okay, the example of the budding is yeast. all of the see this diagram. The yeast is the first is from the parent cell after divided into the buds and bud formation of the daughter cells. Okay. Now we can start asexual reproduction second type. The second type is the multicellular organisms. Okay, asexually reproduction in multicellular organism. Asexual reproduction in multicellular organism consists of the 5 parts. They are the first is the fragmentation, second is the regeneration, third budding, fourth vegetation propagations, and fifth spore formation. Okay, all of students see this point and understands. Okay, the first point of the fragmentation, see the next slide. Okay, the fragmentation. The fragmentation occurs in the algae like Spirogyra and spongy like cycons. In fragmentations, body of parent organism break up into the many fragment and each fragment start to live as a independent new organisms. Okay, whenever there is the plenty of water, okay, you are all of know the when there the plenty of water and nutrient are available to Spirogyra break up into the many small fragment. If the body of cycon break, okay, if the body of cycon break up accidentally into many fragment, each fragment develop into the new cycons. Okay, you can see these diagrams. Okay, here the diagrams, they are the fragmentations of the Spirogyra. Okay, there are the many small pieces. The body of parent organism break up into many fragments, many small part. Okay, and each fragment start to live as independent new organisms. Okay, the next type is the regenerations. Okay, the regeneration, the example of all of the see the screen, the planaria. Okay, all of understand regeneration. The regeneration occurs in the animals like the planaria. Planaria is break up its body into two parts. Means discard the part is regenerated after a period. In lizard, limited regeneration observed wherein the discard the some part of its tail and it regenerated again. Okay, we can here see the starfish. The starfish is divided, cut off the 5 part. After some time they develop the new organism means starfish. The second example here see the planaria. Okay, I want all of understand this concept of the regenerations. Budding. Budding is the third type. Budding occurs in the animals like hydra. Okay. In case of hydra, and outgrowth called the bud is formed by repeated division of the regenerative cells of body wall. Okay, in case of the hydra, outgoing called the buds. The bud grow up the progressively and finally form a small hydra. Okay, see the figures. The small hydra. The budding hydra separate from parent hydra and start to lead an independent life when it is able to leads an independent life. Okay, the next type is vegetative propagations. Okay, all of know the leaf, stem, root, buds. Okay, the reproduction in plants with the help of vegetative part like root, stem, leaf and buds is called the vegetative reproductions. Okay, vegetative propagation in a potato by eyes present on the tubular, bryophylla by the bud present on the leaf margin, and next sugarcane and grass by bud present on the nodes. The next is the carrot and radish by root. Okay, all of the example of the vegetative propagations. The potato come from the eyes, bryophylla bud present in leaf, sugarcane and grass bud present on the noots, and sugarcane grass present in noots, carrot and radish by root. Okay, I want all of understands, and next slide you can see. Okay, next type is the spore formations. Okay, the spore formation example of the piece of the bread and sporangiums. Okay, here the given the one experiment. All of your house this experiment do this. The here see the fungi like the mucor have the filaments body. They have the sponges. One the spore are formed. The sporangium burst and spore are the release. The spore germinated in moist and warm place and new fungal colony is formed. Okay, we can all of see this diagram. The first diagram see here the pieces of the bread. Okay, the pieces of the bread here seen the pack in the tippins after 2 days. The open the tippin cap and see what happened. There the see the spores formation greenish layer. Okay, I want all of understand this concept. Okay.